Welcome to our latest video where we will be discussing the top credit card picks for 2023. In this video, we will take a closer look at two credit cards that we believe stand out from the rest, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card and the Capital One Venture X. Let's dive in. Section 1. Wells Fargo Active Cash Card. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card is a no annual fee credit card that offers a generous cashback program. Cardholders earn unlimited 2% cashback on purchases, including gas, groceries, and dining, making it an excellent option for everyday spending. Additionally, cardholders can earn a one-time cash reward of $200 after spending $1,000 on purchases in the first 3 months of account opening. The card also offers a 0% introductory APR on purchases and qualifying balance transfers for the first 15 months, making it a great option for those looking to consolidate debt or make a large purchase. The Wells Fargo Active Cash Card also includes cell phone protection, which covers up to $600 per claim for damage or theft to your cell phone when you pay your monthly cell phone bill with the card. Additionally, cardholders have access to a range of other perks, including discounts on car rentals and hotels and complimentary roadside assistance. Section 2. Capital One Venture X. The Capital One Venture X is a premium credit card designed for frequent travelers. It offers an impressive 10x miles on hotel bookings and rental cars made through Capital One Travel, as well as 5x miles on flights booked through the same platform. Cardholders also earn 2x miles on all other purchases, making it a strong choice for both travel and everyday spending. The Capital One Venture X card comes with a welcome bonus of 100,000 miles after spending $10,000 on purchases within the first 6 months of account opening. Additionally, the card offers up to a $300 annual statement credit for eligible travel expenses, including airport lounge access through the Priority Pass Select program. Cardholders can also enjoy benefits such as extended warranty protection, travel accident insurance, and concierge service. In conclusion, the Wells Fargo Active Cash Card and the Capital One Venture X are two excellent credit card options to consider for 2023. Whether you're looking for a simple cashback program or a premium travel card, these two options have you covered. As always, make sure to read the terms and conditions carefully and choose a credit card that fits your spending habits and credit goals. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more finance tips and insights.